Hello, all you gorgeous creatures out there in wedding world, and welcome to another session of On the Couch with Crazy Shaz, the one, the only, the fabulous. We give you all the tips and tricks on wedding invitations and stationery for your big day. Today's video is a collaboration with our partners over at elegantweddinginvitations.com. They are an online stationery creator for your one-stop needs as far as your wedding invitations. They create these beautiful laser cut pocketed invites where you can customize it to be personalized for your own choices and dreams. Today's video is all about color combinations, how we can change up the look and feel by just changing one or two elements, and personalizing with certain embellishments. On with the show. Up, we've got this beautiful pearl square pocketed invite. You can see here it is backed with a glitter background. So this comes standard with their pearl envelope, which you can personalize and finished off. It's very soft, it's very sweet, blush finishes, really great. Now I want to show you how we can just add a single bold color to change the whole look and feel of the envelopes. In 1, 2, 3, and poof. All right, so all we've done is we've just added this satin ribbon with a buckle in this dark midnight blue, which is so stunning. And then what we're going to do is we're going to swap out the cream envelope for this beautiful blue one. Here we go. And see how we've actually changed the whole look and feel to this invite by just adding one personalized embellishment, being your belly band or your envelope. Next up is this beautiful sort of eucalyptus colored gatefold invite. It is in a portrait style and it's got this beautiful greenery simple design on the top, very much on trend. It comes with a vellum belly band, if you can see here, your RSVP card, and a pearl cream envelope. All right, so what we're going to do with this invitation is we're going to take a chiffon ribbon, or like what I've done, I've just ripped a strip to make it look like ribbon, and we've put in this custom wax seal. Now the wax seals, you can buy one online with elegantweddinginvitations.com, or you can go to a stationer or a wax seal dealer and create your own with your own personalized monogram or logo, or just have one of these beautiful generic ones. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take away the wax seal, and here we go. By just changing up the wax seal for this diamante embellishment, we've changed the whole look now to this sort of elegant luxury feel. All right, last one for today is this beautiful laser cut pocketed invitation from elegantweddinginvites.com. It comes standard like this from the online store. Now we can jazz it up a little bit by using a backing card, a glitter backing card, placing that in the jacket or the main section of the card, placing your card on top so that you get this beautiful framed glitter edging. Yes. All right, and we can add the glitter belly band. All right. Or we can just add a simple rose gold ribbon, which looks absolutely stunning. All right, then to carry through that glitter look and feel, and something that is really, really stunning, and I love doing with my wedding invitations is creating a envelope liner. So here you can see I've carried the same look and feel from the belly band into the envelope liner, but you can also jazz it up and make it look with the same pattern that you've got on your invitation. You can still use that, and it just is a beautiful finishing touch to your wedding invitation. All right, that is all for today. I hope you have gained a little bit of insight and just popping those little bit of colors, mixing and matching, and just to personalize your wedding invitations. So until next time, check you later.